Hello everyone, this is the Legends of Signum channel. I'm Ethan, your host, and today we are going to sum up our Kickstarter campaign and talk about our plans for the future. We have a very special guest with us here today. I'd like to present the project manager of Legends of Signum, Vyacheslav Glebov.
Hey guys, first and foremost, I'd like to thank each and every one of you for continuous support. None of this would ever happen without your support behind our backs. I'd like to mention that the Kickstarter campaign has ended. All of the packages have been delivered. Miniatures are now available for purchase in our online web store. The link will be down below.
This is an extremely exciting moment for all of us. We've prepared a lot of gifts and surprises for you guys. I'd like to say that the parcels have been sent all over the world. They've been to Europe, they've been to the United States, even Japan. And we finally began to receive the very first feedback reports from you guys.
And your feedback reports are really important to us. They're helping us with the future development of our new projects.
And we have actually a number of projects. Your worldwide support has inspired us to create a new set of miniatures. They will be 15mm in scale. And also a brand new wargame. This wargame will feature original gameplay. It'll feature the characters that you're already familiar with and heroes assembled in massive, huge armies, but with very different goals, very different objectives. And of course, there will be absolutely epic battles.
I'd like to mention that this game is being developed by a dedicated team. We also have another team that's working in parallel on the main lineup of Legends of Signum. So shortly you'll be seeing a couple of new projects which we really love, and hopefully you'll feel the same about them when they are released.
The Legends of Signum brand is now developing more than ever thanks to your support. We're therefore launching a new Kickstarter campaign for a new standalone expansion of Legends of Signum. It's called Dragon Hunters. It'll feature 3 brave, or perhaps extremely foolish heroes who decide to venture inside the lair of a terrifying dragon and steal its precious treasure. There'll be dynamic gameplay, there'll be drama, deceit, cooperation, and of course there will be gruesome, fiery death waiting for you in this 1 to 4 player game mode expansion.
And also we've received a lot of requests from you guys asking us to do metal miniatures. We're happy to announce that they are available in our online web store. Again, you'll see all the links down below.
And I'd like to add that we're also working on the development of tournament sets for game clubs to help organize and run tournaments. We've already finished working on the tournament rules. They've already been published on our website, so you can see them there. And finally, we've created a forum to help facilitate communication between the players, between the tournament organizers, and of course between you guys and us, the developers, because your feedback is important.
Yeah, thank you guys. Stay tuned for more updates. Bye-bye.